Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the IOGear Kaliber Gaming Hver Stealth keyboard. This keyboard is designed with gamers in mind, and it promises to deliver a comfortable and responsive typing experience. So without further ado, let's dive in and see what this keyboard has to offer. First of all, let's talk about the design of this keyboard. The Hver Stealth keyboard has a sleek and minimalist design that looks great on any desk. The black aluminum frame gives it a solid and durable feel, and the low-profile keycaps add to its overall aesthetic. The keyboard also features a full-sized layout with a numeric keypad, so you won't have to sacrifice functionality for style. Now let's talk about the most important part of any keyboard, the typing experience. The Hver Stealth keyboard features pale red mechanical switches, which are known for their smooth and linear keystrokes. These switches require less force to actuate, which means you can type faster and with less finger fatigue. The switches also have a 50 million keystroke lifespan, so you can expect this keyboard to last for years to come. But that's not all. The Hver Stealth keyboard also features customizable RGB lighting. You can choose from 7 different lighting modes, including a wave effect, a breathing effect, and a reactive mode that only lights up the keys you press. The lighting is bright and vibrant, and it really adds to the overall look of the keyboard. In addition to the standard keys, the Hver Stealth keyboard also has a set of multimedia keys that allow you to control your music and videos without leaving your game. These keys are located at the top of the keyboard and are easy to access, so you can adjust the volume or skip a song without interrupting your gameplay. Finally, let's talk about connectivity. The Hver Stealth keyboard connects to your computer via a USB cable, which is included in the box. The keyboard also has a built-in USB port, which is great for plugging in a mouse or other peripherals. This feature is especially useful if you have a limited number of USB ports on your computer. Overall, I'm really impressed with the IOGear Kaliber Gaming Hver Stealth keyboard. It has a sleek and durable design, responsive pale red mechanical switches, customizable RGB lighting, and convenient multimedia keys. If you're a gamer or just someone who wants a high-quality keyboard, I would definitely recommend giving this one a try. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. And as always, thank you for watching.